For those of you who don't know, like chronic pain is an illness that someone, when diagnosed, unfortunately it's not curable. So we play Voorhees Hills. It's the Points for Pain game. We raise money in order to hopefully send families who are impacted by this chronic pain to camps to learn ways to cope with it and to meet other people who are going through some of the same stuff. So Tyler Cashman, a current sophomore, organized this. It hits close to home for him. His mom is dealing with this right now, and he's been doing this fundraiser for quite some time and has been very successful doing it.
I got to meet some kids with chronic pain and see what they go through and how hard it is for them. So I wanted to do something for them by helping them go to this week-long summer camp, which they usually can't do without this summer camp because it's completely handicap accessible. So I wanted to help them get there.
Tyler and Casey had come to several games and they wanted a venue to put it on the map, so to speak. Tyler came in to our meeting room for our girls basketball team and wanted to know if he could speak to the team. So he got up on the podium and he spoke to 30 girls and 4 coaches, and by the end of him speaking, everybody was crying in the room and all excited. We really wanted to help out because he was so moving in his speech.
So during the game, obviously there's a variety of ways you can donate money through basket raffles, 50-50 raffles, things like that. But after the game, there's always still time to support. The Voorhees Girls Basketball team is selling little sheets of paper. They're fundraising sheets. You can donate as little as $1 to as much as you would like, and we can collect those fundraisers or fundraising sheets anytime, so they could contact any girls basketball players or myself in order to donate to the cause.
Having a venue where you play in another team from Voorhees Hills, they encourage and let everybody know at Voorhees Hills what's going on so that they can come and be a part of the raffles and donations. And the biggest thing we were able to do is help promote it and get it out there in the public with a large venue.
We all wear the Points for Pain t-shirts, the coaches, the players for both teams. It's kind of a nice setup because they're a big rival school for us and it's a big game, so it kind of brings even more enjoyment to that type of game.
And I want everyone that's watching this video to know that not all of illnesses are visible. Most of it is an invisible illness, so the people who have it look fine, but they're really dealing with a lot of pain on the inside.
There's a website that Casey has created. If they go to pointsforpain.com, I'm sure that they'd access it. They're out of the Tewksbury area, so I'm sure they'd be able to find if they wanted to donate or get involved on a corporate level. They're making it their commitment to make these lives of kids that live in pain a lot better.